Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add tags to your gigs on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here, fiverr.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we want to go ahead and log into our account in the upper right corner. So in the upper right corner, you'll be greeted by this main page, the sign in button that you want to go ahead and click. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where we can get started seeing all the sections we can access, we can find other gigs right here, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how you add tags to our gigs. What we want to do guys is go ahead and switch to seller mode first. So here in the upper right corner, click on your profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, it's going to open up this new drop down menu, and in this menu you'll have the become a seller option. So you want to go ahead and switch to seller mode. After clicking on become a seller, it's going to enable you to go ahead and switch to your seller mode. If you have not already done that, you can just go ahead and click on continue and start switching by clicking the continue button and then going to go ahead and finish button, filing up all of your info. And after that, as you can see, now here is our gig. So guys, as you can see, here is our gig. If you're posting your gig for the first time, here in the overview, you're going to go ahead and have the search tags button. So here you can enter in tags. You want to go and type out what the tags are, maybe like video or editing, something like that, and then you want to go ahead and add them right here. If you have already posted the gig but you want to add those tags, here in the upper right corner is going to be an option that's going to enable you to see all your gigs under your business section. So click that to see all of your gigs, and then open up the gig you want to manage, and it's going to open up this same menu right here where you can go ahead and get started with posting your tags that you want to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.